So in this video we are going to discuss about mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. Quite easy topic, so let's start. Of opening and closing of stomata. So let's start from here. First thing you will see what is stomata. Stomata is only a kind of a space between two guard cells. So space between, like how the stomata is like kidney shaped like a structure. This is kind of a structure. So what you'll see, kidney being shaped like a structure. Okay, then what you'll see that these all structure, the gap here, this gap is called as stomata, as I mentioned, space between two guard cells. And this space, this structure forms like a pore. This pore is termed as a stomatal pore, and these are the guard cells. So let's start. What else is written? What else we can discuss? You'll see that the opening and closing, opening or closing, I'm not writing entire spelling, opening, closing of stomata, that all depend upon stomata. Opening and closing of stomata, which even that's either it's widening or it's narrowing, is the of the gap between what? Gap between two guard cells. These all things depend upon what? These all things depend upon the turgidity of guard cells. Either they close or open guard cells. So you'll see these all things, and even the increase or decrease in the osmotic potential of the guard cells also depend. Osmotic potential of the guard cell. Osmotic potential of guard cells. And you will see that these are very important, as their structure tells stomata, which allow for the exchangement of water, gases and everything. It's like an opening where a lot of things can pass out. So you will see we have guard cells, either that's open guard cell or a closed guard cell. So let's see what's here in the picture. Okay, so this is the picture. You will see stomata closed. Wait a moment. When stomata is closed, then this kind of structure you'll see. These are the kidney guard cells and these all. And you know what? Here these labelings, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as written here. So first one you will see is the nucleus. This means this pink like structure you will call as a nucleus. Then the second is chloroplast, which is a green kind of pigment. So here is the second one. This is the chloroplast, right? Third one is vacuole. Vacuole is a large size. This is known as vacuole, and the membrane of the vacuole is known as tonoplast. This kind of MCQs you might see in a lot of this guards. Fourth one is guard cell. So guard cell is this green space. Then we have fifth one, which is the outer covering. So that's called as a cell wall. So this is the labeling, and even same goes for this open stomata. So what it does, even transpiration process occur here. Transpiration happens how? When stomata is open, then transpiration can take place, otherwise it cannot. So this means when these are open, so this allow water to move out, and this mean move out. This means transpiration simply means the movement, or where leaf are able to pass out their water, right? And what you'll see that if this here's the root, and you'll see a plant is growing. Here you'll see a leaf. If I just enlarge a leaf, here in this structure you will see kind of mesophyll cells. When we enlarge this mesophyll cells, we'll find this structure. Here are the mesophyll cells, and what you'll see that here is a space. So this space, so water from these mesophyll cells come out, then form here a lot of spaces, and that space gathered a lot of good amount of water. So when water is combined, like a good amount of water is present, then these all are open, then these all are passed throughout the stomata, which is an opening. So I'm sure it's clear to you. So just this is all about the stomata, and just you'll see a lot of different things, like what the change in water potential, which will result to osmotic change. So osmotic change, and what else you'll see that if water moves in the cell, so when water moves in the cell, they will be expand, like of course during the expand process their size will increase. If water move outside of the cell, this means it's going to be removed. So when removed, it will decrease their surface, or it will become, and when these expand, they become turgid, hard and turgid like structure, which means they have a proper shape like structure. And you'll see if water move out, so they will become, if water move out, they will become flaccid like a structure will be formed. And when guard cells are turgid, stomata open. This is kind of very important MCQs. When guard cells open, stomata. When guard cells are turgid, then stomata open. And when guard cells are flaccid, stomata close. This is quite important points which I've just discussed, and you'll see such things. You'll also see that they have a mesophyll cells. These stomata have a mesophyll cells, which I mentioned, and they also have epidermal cells. Epidermal means first. So in the leaves like structure, here these are the mesophyll cells. So the first layer, when they form like this kind of structure, that's called as epidermal. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.